Welcome. In front of me is a COROS Dura, a GPS solar bike computer, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's just get straight into this. We do have what looks to be just two little seals right here. There we go. And it should slide out. There we go. There we go. Oh, wait, that's the power button, I think. Yeah, there we go, it's booting up. So here we have the mounting point, where it already comes with a quick release, so you're just gonna do this, if it actually locks in. There we go. Oh, it really firmly locks in there. And you can see here we have our language selection, so let's click, yep, set English, cool. And of course we need a application, turn off or go back, great, awesome. Because God forbid you can use something without a damn application. Okay, now here we have our rings. If your steering handle is a little bit thinner or thicker, you might want to choose either one of those. This would go inside right here and here when you're clamping it down. So just a rubberized surface so it holds better. And we have our cable. There we go. So it's a Type-C to Type-C cable, and then some lineared. And that's about it. This doesn't come out, so there's nothing below that either. So that's basically what we get, a cable for charging and the actual computer, or bike computer, however you want to call it, with the solar panel right here. It's a very small solar panel, as you can see. Actually, it's kind of hard to get it on the camera. Wait. So if you see this box right here, that's the solar panel area. And once it dies, you can just use a Type-C to Type-C cable, connect it from the bottom, and charge it up like that. And neatly enough, because it's using Type-C, what you could technically do is grab your phone, and almost every phone now has a power sharing. So if you have a Type-C to Type-C cable, which you do because it comes provided, you can just plug it into your phone, connect these, and then the phone battery will start charging this, which if you need to top it up quickly on the go without actually needing an outlet, you can use your phone for that, which is pretty neat. It also has Bluetooth by the looks of it, some antenna, and that's about it. So that's basically everything. Now, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.